my asshole.
Look at her face. Oh my god, look at her face.
Hey, back in her face.
Back
Let me see your face. Hey, look.
What the fuck is wrong with her?
Hey, back in my butt. That felt good.
Oh my god. Tim's the only sober one. Tim,
you love
Tim,
him?
you say this,
You love
Tim.
him? We're gonna go on Jerry Sugar.
Oh shit, you're so adorable. Her knees.
Hey, look.
Scrape her knees.
Straight, Jordan? Jordan should kiss it.
Jordan!
Hey, check me out. My name's
We gotta go somewhere else to get his
I
My
drink.
name's fucking Jackie. I work at Hollister. Look at her. I got a big.
Hey, she got on her chin, started.
I'm not Jordan.
Jordan!
I think we straight.
Michael Jordan!
I got you, dog. We got you. We getting through, bro. You understand, bro? Like, people always feel like this fuck, bro. I got you, dog.
Oh my god. Look, I gotta pee.
You gonna let her shower?
Not in my house.
Mark, listen.
We can go to the park.
I need money.
I got some money.
No.
You don't want to?
Alright, man, we straight, bro.
You're not my boyfriend.
You don't have
She has a boyfriend.
Who? She has a boyfriend?
Yes.
What the fuck? Has a boyfriend?
Keon.
Get off me. No, for real.
Keon. She has Keon. Don't you remember him?
Brittany, you alright?
Keon, that pretty nigga's a trip, yo.
Hey, get a face, Tim. Hey, Tim, get a face.
No, we don't get a fuck. Remember Keon?
Hey, get her, Matt.
Oh, she's throwing up. She's throwing up. Face her that way. Face her that way. Jordan. Oh, Jordan, face her that way.
Oh!
Oh my god.
You have a boyfriend, get off me.
Yes. Yes.
Talk to me and tell me, man.
I told you that a long time ago.
I'm fucking drunk, dude. Drunk, you know how to
Oh, she probably... So, if you're drunk and you have a boyfriend...
Look.
Let me see the pictures.
No.